This refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories and may arrive in a generic box. New from No7 The Airbrush Away Tinted Skin Perfector is a vitamin-enriched formula. DesignedThis velvety soft formula combines the benefits of skincare with sheer coverage for a photo-ready, satin finish. Designed to fit into hectic schedules, this formula is quick and easy to apply, leaving you with great skin in seconds. In consumer testing, 94% of women said their complexion looked healthier. 92% of women said their skin looked smoother. Top reviews from the United States. Nice coverage. I wanted this to try to get a sheer cover over my morning face cream. It looks like a dark shade when I put it on my fingers, then when I smooth it, it becomes a lovely sheer even glow. It's great.